how to send gift cards on Cash App. So what you want to do is just load up your Cash App application, and then we will click on the little magnifying glass icon at the bottom. Now here you will see an option, send a gift. So you can send gift cards, Bitcoin, or stocks. We will just do gift cards here as an example. So just click on send a gift card, and you can choose from all of these different companies, and you can select which kind of gift card you want to send the person. So for example, let's say that we want to send them a Best Buy gift card. You will type the amount for which you will send the gift card. So for example, $20. Click on next. You will have to type out either their name, cash tag or email. So for example, here I would do this. You can select the person from the list that pops up. Okay, just confirm. For, you will just say gift, and then if you click on next here, it is going to ask you for a debit card number if you have not linked your card, and that's going to take the money from your debit card, purchase a gift card, and send it to the person. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.